When your patient is struggling to breathe and standard nasal cannulas just aren't enough, it is time to level up. You will notice signs of respiratory distress like tachypnea and increased work of breathing. Monitoring oxygen saturation is critical as you assess the need for higher support. Do not wait for complete respiratory failure to intervene.
High-flow nasal cannula delivers precise oxygen concentrations up to 100% to meet high metabolic demands. By providing flow rates up to 60 liters per minute, it effectively washes out anatomical dead space in the upper airway. This mechanism significantly reduces the patient's work of breathing and improves CO2 clearance. It is a powerful tool for optimizing gas exchange. The high flow creates a mild PEEP effect, which keeps the alveoli open and prevents collapse. Unlike CPAP, the air is heated and humidified, making the treatment much more comfortable for the patient to tolerate. Ensure the nasal prongs are correctly sized and the water reservoir is full for optimal therapy. Continue to monitor the patient closely for clinical improvement or the need for escalation.